Hi guys, Big Dave here. Gonna do the accent challenge this week. So let's get started. Let's get that ball rolling. Gonna say the words first, of course, and then I'll answer the questions. First word starts off with your aunt. I have an aunt. You know, you might have aunts, but I have aunts. You know, my aunts are really in the kitchen, crawling around the cabinets and the counters. They're all over the place. My aunts, well, I haven't seen my aunt in a long time. Route. Some people say route, but it's not Route 66, it's Route 66. Please, let's be civilized. Wash. Not wash, but wash. You know. There's no R in the word wash. Oil. Theater. Yes, I attend the theater. Iron. I don't know why that's in that list. There's only one way to pronounce iron. The only way I've ever heard it pronounced is iron. Same way with salmon. Please. Although there is an L in the word salmon, it is silent. So I don't know why they just don't take it out completely. Caramel. You know, some people like caramel. You know, around the homestead, I may use the word caramel, but I prefer the word caramel. It just sounds so much more sophisticated. Something that I, of course, am very sophisticated. So, yes. Fire. Not bar, but fire. Water. Sure. Data. Not data. It wasn't Lieutenant Commander, but data. You know, I mean, come on. It's data. Ruin. Crayon. Toilet. Unless, of course, I'm, hosting a dinner party and the Queen of England is there and Nathan Lane happens to be there, then I might say, pronounce it as toilet. The toilet is down the hall, 5th door on the left, when you make a right 3 times. Then you can, might say toilet. Otherwise, it's toilet. New Orleans, although when I do speak to my colleagues down there, I do say New Orleans, but it is New Orleans. It's 2 words. Pecan. Pecan is actually how I say it. I eat pecans, but I could pee in a can. Yes, okay. So it wasn't that funny. All right. Both. Really? Again? Probably. Spitting image. Alabama. Lawyer. Coupon. Mayonnaise. Although I say usually just pass the mayo. Mayonnaise. Syrup. Pajamas. Not pajamas. I guess it is pajamas, but I do say pajamas. And caught. One word also that really gets me is the word pen. A pen is that writing utensil on the desk. It is not a pin. A pin is something you stick in someone's ass to get them to jump. A pen. Oh, excuse me. Did I use foul language? Sorry for all these kids. It's, oh well. I'll just have to rate this as PG rather than G. Now we'll move on to some of the questions. Some of these questions, really, are kind of ridiculous too. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? TP. You're TP. TP. PG. Oh, there I go again. PG rating, folks. All right. What is the bug when you touch? What is the bug when you touch it? It curls up. Hell, I know. I ain't touching no frickin' bug. I ain't gonna touch no bug. If it crawls up, it curls up. Yeah, whatever. I'm not touching no bug. No bug touching here. What is the bubbly carbonated drink called? Well, champagne, of course. Unless it's a soft drink, and then it's a Coke. Even if it's a Pepsi or a Dr. Pepper. I have a Coke, please. You know, I'm a Coke person, you know, or champagne, of course. What do you call gym shoes? Well, first off, I don't call them. No, I'll save that joke for another one. Tennis shoes, I call them tennis shoes, you know. Believe it or not, I don't know why I call them tennis shoes. I don't play tennis, and I wouldn't call them gym shoes because I don't go to the gym. I know, it's hard to believe that I look like this and I don't go to the gym. I know. I was just lucky to be born this way. Let's see here. What do you call the kind of spider that has an oval-shaped body and extremely long legs? Daddy long legs. What do you call your grandparents? Long distance. No, grandma, grandpa. Although I did have a grandmother that I called Granny. Luckily, I was the oldest grandchild on both sides of the family, so I got to pick the names that they were called. So it was up to me to name them. So, and I did very well, thank you very much. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? Well, everybody knows that's a shopping cart. You know, a shopping cart. What, let's see here, what do you call it when rain falls while the sun is shining? The end of the world! I don't know, it's rain when the sun is shining. Please, diamonds falling from the sky? Lucy in the sky with diamonds? I don't know. What is the thing, what is the thing you change the TV channel with? Oh, please, it's my finger. My finger touches the button. The button is on the remote control. But it's my finger that changes the channel. Or a remote control, if that's really what you're getting. I don't know. Anyway, that is my take on the accent challenge. I don't think I have an accent. People say I do have a southern accent, but I don't know what y'all are talking about. I surely don't. Because I hear no southern accent. I haven't. If anything, y'all sound funny to me. Y'all got the southern accents. Them northern accents. I tell you. See, I talk too fast for a southerner, first off. Because they all talk real slow. Like they got nowhere to go with the words that they're saying. Like they have to think what they're saying. They got to think about what they're saying about. Anyway, I don't think I have a southern accent. You guys tell me. Anyway, love you guys. Peace out. And happy 4th of July.